Thanks for joining Walrus News Now. In this video, we're learning about winter weather safety tips. Winter storms, snow, wind chill, frost, ice, and extreme cold are a coast-to-coast threat to the United States and its territories. Now we're going to click on the snow link. Heavy snow can immobilize a region and paralyze a city, stranding commuters, closing airports, and stopping the flow of supplies, and disrupting emergency and medical services. The weight of snow can cause roofs to collapse and knock down trees and power lines. Homes and farms may be isolated for days, and unprotected livestock may be lost. In the mountains, heavy snow can lead to avalanches. The cost of snow removal, repairing damages, and the loss of businesses can have severe economic impacts on cities and towns. Now we're going to click on the wind chill thing. Now, right there, you can see the National Weather Service wind chill charts with temperatures from 5 to 60 mile-per-hour winds. The frostbite times are right here, where it happens in 10 minutes, and then in 5 minutes you can get frostbite in those temperatures. The National Weather Service Wind Chill Temperature Index uses advances in science, technology, and computer modeling to provide an accurate, understandable, and useful formula to calculating the dangers from winds, and freezing temperatures. The index calculates the wind speed on an average height of 5 feet, the typical height of an adult human face. Based on readings from the national standard height of 33 feet, typical heights of an anemometer is based on human face model, incorporates heat transfer theory, heat loss from the body and its surroundings during cold and breezy windy days, lowers the calm wind threshold to 3 mile-per-hour winds, uses a consistent standard for skin tissue resistance, assumes no impact from the sun, i.e. clear night sky. Now we're gonna click ice and frost. So here are some basic definitions. So frost describes the formation of thin ice crystals on the ground or other surfaces in the form of scales, needles, feathers, or fans. Frost develops under conditions similar to dew. Expect the temperature of the Earth's surface and the earthbound objects falls between 30 degrees Fahrenheit. As with the term, quote, freeze, the condition is primarily significant during the growing season. If a frost period is sufficiently severe to growing season delay its beginning, it is commonly referred to as a killing frost. Because frost is primarily an event that occurs a result of radiational cooling, it frequently occurs with thermometer level temperatures in the mid-30s. Now, an ice jam definition, long cold spells can cause rivers and lakes to freeze. A rise in the water level or thaw breaks the ice into a large chunk which becomes jammed at man-made and natural obstructions. Ice jams could act as a dam, resulting in severe flooding. Now we're going to click on the extreme cold. Extreme cold is a daily concern during the winter months in the northern U.S., while areas further south may only experience occasional outbreaks of frigid temperatures each winter. Regardless of your location, the same cold-related risks exist. Make sure to know that the warning signs associated with the extreme cold and what actions to take to protect you and your loved ones. Polar vortex. Polar vortex, cold air and low pressure near the pole. The jet stream and the cold air surges into the U.S. What is the polar vortex? The polar vortex is a large area of low pressure and cold air during both of the Earth's poles. It always exists near the poles, but weakens in the summer and strengthens in the winter. The term vortex refers to the counterclockwise flow in the air that helps keep the cold air near the poles. I'll be leaving this link in the description. I'm just not going to read all that right now. Now we're going to go to winter storm hazards. Every state in the nation experienced potentially dangerous winter weather, even Hawaii. Alaska: heavy snow, strong wind/blizzards, coastal flooding, extreme cold, avalanches, ice jams, ice fog. West Coast: heavy precipitation, high winds, coastal flooding, beach erosion. The Rockies: heavy snow, mountain effect snow, strong winds, avalanches, extreme cold, blizzards. Midwest and Plains: heavy snow, strong winds/blizzards, extreme wind chill, lake effect snow, ice storms. Mid-Atlantic to the New England: heavy snow, ice storms, strong winds, coastal flooding, beach erosion, extreme cold. Southeast and Gulf Coast: ice storms, crop killing freezes, occasional snow. Hawaii: snow on the Big Island of Hawaii. Now we're going to click National Weather Service winter products. Now these are the watch/warning names and the description. So a blizzard watch is issued when conditions are favorable, i.e. for a potential for a blizzard event to meet the exceed. A lake effect snow watch. Conditions are favorable for the warning criteria. So, sorry, ladies and gentlemen, the ones up in the watches didn't really give a good example, but the warnings do. A blizzard warning is issued when sustained winds or frequent gusts greater to equal 35-mile-per-hour winds accompanied by falling and or blowing snow, frequently reducing visibility to less than a quarter mile for 3 hours or more. A lake effect snow warning is issued when widespread or localized lake-induced snow squalls or heavy showers which produce snowfall accumulation meeting or exceeding locally defined warning criteria. Ice storm warning is issued when ice accumulation meeting or exceeding locally defined warning criteria. Typically values 1/4 an inch or more. Wind chill warnings with issued when warning criteria typically -18 degrees Fahrenheit or colder. And then some more warnings. I'll leave this link in the description also. So now we're going to click the forecast and observations. So this is what the current weather.gov looks like. As you can see, there is no winter weather alerts at this time. It's only September 19th, 2015. So now we're going to go to winter storm and extreme cold. Here's what to do before the winter storm and extreme cold. How to winterize your vehicle. How to winterize your home. And specific terms, including freezing rain, sleet, wind chill, winter weather advisory, winter storm watch, winter storm warning, and carbon monoxide. So I'm going to leave this link in the description too. So for now, have a nice day.